Hi guys, I'm here with Chef Vlad and we're going to be teaching you how to make the best guacamole you've ever had. Take it away.
So, guys, here we go. We put the mashed avocado, a little bit jalapeno pepper for a little bit spicy, red onions, dice of tomato, bell peppers, spring onions, 1 spoon. Then, squeeze the lime, salt, mix them down.
Chef, these are some of the best chips you're ever gonna have. And guys, he's one of the top chefs in New York. So let's try them.
Let's try. Wow, they're great, right?
Amazing. Guys, look at all these zero Masa chips we got. And we're gonna be giving away to you. And if you wanna be a lucky winner, just comment below which flavor you want. It can be original, habanero, or lime. And if you want them immediately, then click the link below, use coupon code Kyle, and get a huge discount.